Hey ghouls, today I'm going to be distressing this trick-or-treat t-shirt. No sewing involved, all you need are scissors and some safety pins, so let's get started. First, I'm laying the shirt flat and cutting off the bottom hem. I use scissors for most of it, then just rip the rest by hand to make it look messier and more distressed. After that, I stretch and pull the fabric a few times so the edges roll naturally instead of looking freshly cut. Next, I'm doing the same thing to the neckline and sleeves, just cutting off the hems and stretching everything out to give it more of that worn-in, destroyed look. Now for the fun part, distressing. I'm making small cuts and holes, then stretching them out to make them bigger. For some sections, I layer the cuts underneath each other, making each one slightly smaller so it creates this shredded effect. Then I just start adding random holes, rips, and tears all over the shirt to make it look chaotic and grungy. Once I'm happy with how destroyed it looks, I grab some safety pins and randomly place them around the shirt for extra detail. And here's the final result. I honestly love how this turned out. Super easy to make, no sewing needed, and it gives the shirt such a cooler punk horror vibe. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more spooky DIYs like this, and I will see you next time. Bye!